That's awesome. That's awesome. And Shravin, how about you? What drives your engine? I mean, what gets you excited in the morning?
Yeah, well, I've been in the game a lot lesser time than Saeed. But look, for me, I grew up in India. So first 18 years of my life was back home, and I have been lucky enough to see my father build, the largest telecom company back home in India and across Africa. So we've got presence in 17 countries, 500 million subscribers. And I was part of the telecom business for 3 years when we made the acquisition in Africa and lived in Africa for 2 years, helping that integration. And then I've also had a great entrepreneurial journey in picking up OneWeb out of bankruptcy with the UK government. So OneWeb is there's only 2 low Earth orbit satellite companies in the world, Starlink and OneWeb. And we've had a wonderful joint venture here with NEOM to provide connectivity. And just having the ability, at least on the communications level, to see the impact that a scale business can have on the population. So providing internet connectivity, education through your mobile phone is transformational. And for me, I think I'm chasing that dream through multiple different avenues. Is where are the other companies that can have an equal-sized impact across the globe? Whether it's climate tech, whether it's health and wellness, supply chain. And so for me, trying to help entrepreneurs realize that and really build a generational company for me is what gets me out of bed. And through that, hopefully Unbound will become a generational company as well.